Did you know most people think airplanes fly like birds? But that's actually wrong. Airplanes don't just float on air like fluffy clouds. They actually push against the air with wings called airfoils. And the air pushes back, creating something called lift, that lifts the plane up. Even though gravity pulls airplanes down, the lift force is always stronger. It keeps the plane floating like a magic bubble in the sky. The shape of an airplane wing is designed to create uneven air pressure. The air flows faster over the curved top and slower under the flat bottom, making lift happen. So next time you see an airplane flying high, remember it's not just magic, it's the amazing science of lift that keeps them afloat. Follow for more wild facts about the world.